Welcome. Our topic for this review questions is all about in the Book 1 of LTOM, 2nd edition, specifically in Section 20, the turnover of accountabilities to the incoming and outgoing local treasurers, and Section 21, the powers and duties of local treasurer and assistant local treasurer. Number 1. What is the main purpose of closing the books and totaling the cash books during the turnover of accountabilities from outgoing to incoming local treasurers? A. To update the supplies adjustment and reports on accountable forms and cash books. B. To prepare invoice receipts for the accountable forms. C. To compare cash and other cash items with the cash book balances and certify the balance per book. D. To notify the auditors about the transfer of accountability. Answer: Letter C. Closing the books and totaling the cash books allows for a comparison between the cash and other cash items with the cash book balances. This step ensures that the recorded balances match the actual amounts, verifying the accuracy of the accounts. Number 2. Which form is used for making invoice receipts for accountable forms during the turnover of accountabilities from outgoing to incoming local treasurer? A. Acknowledgment receipt for equipment. B. Cash receipts and acknowledgment for accountable forms. C. Consolidated Report of Accountability for accountable forms. D. Receipts and acknowledgment for accountable forms. Answer: Letter C. The invoice receipts for accountable forms are made on the regular form of Consolidated Report of Accountability for accountable forms. Number 3. Which of the following is the most appropriate and ultimate action of the outgoing treasurer regarding important documents not included in the inventory? A. Count and list them separately. B. Transfer them to the incoming treasurer. C. List and invoice for them. D. Notify the auditors in advance. Answer: Letter C. The outgoing treasurer should list and invoice all other important documents, such as stock certificates, certificates of time deposits, treasury bills, duplicate combination of accountable officers' safes, etc., that are not included in the inventory. These documents should be receipt for by the incoming treasurer. Number 4. Why should treasurers advise their corresponding auditors in advance of their relinquishment of office? A. To enable the auditors to prioritize the audit of the treasurer's accounts. B. To adjust the differences found in the settlement of accounts. C. To complete the transfer of accountability smoothly. D. To inform the auditors about retirement, resignation, or transfer. Answer: Letter A. The LTOM states that treasurers should advise their corresponding auditors in advance of their relinquishment of office to allow the auditors to give preference to the audit of the treasurer's accounts over other work or activities. This ensures that the audit can be conducted in a timely manner and any differences in the settlement of accounts can be addressed before the transfer of accountability takes place. Number 5. What is one of the key responsibilities of the local treasurer according to Section 170 of the Local Government Code? A. Disbursing government funds in a prudent manner. B. Auditing local businesses for regulatory compliance. C. Collecting all local taxes, fees, and charges. D. All of the above. Answer: Letter C. Section 170 of the Local Government Code stipulates that one of the primary duties of the local treasurer is to collect all local taxes, fees, and charges, either directly or through duly authorized deputies. Number 6. Which of the following is not a duty of the local treasurer? A. Creating income and estate tax policy. B. Inspecting private commercial and industrial establishments within their jurisdiction. C. Taking custody and exercising proper management of the funds of the LGU. D. Updating the tax information system of the LGU. Answer, letter A. Income and estate tax policies are determined at a national level, not by a local treasurer. The local treasurer's duties are focused on local government unit financial management, such as inspecting commercial establishments for tax ordinance compliance, managing the funds of the LGU, and maintaining the local tax information system. Number 7. What duty does the local treasurer perform in relation to private commercial and industrial establishments within their jurisdiction? A. Inspecting books of accounts to see to it that they are paying correct income taxes. B. Ensuring adherence to labor laws and other related laws. C. Inspecting these establishments in relation to the implementation of tax ordinances. D. Regulating the business activities through issuance of business permits and licenses. Answer, letter C. The local treasurer is responsible for inspecting private commercial and industrial establishments within their jurisdiction to ensure compliance with local tax ordinances. The other duties listed, such as ensuring adherence to labor laws, inspecting books of accounts for income tax accuracy, or issuing business permits and licenses, always fall under the jurisdiction of other government offices. Number 8. Which of the following is the most crucial duty of a local treasurer? A. Implement tax collection and enforcement program. B. Certify as to the availability of funds. C. Prepare and submit reports. D. Attend sessions of the Sanggunian. Answer, letter B. Certifying the availability of funds is a critical responsibility because it ensures that no money is disbursed without proper authorization. The local treasurer's certification verifies that there is an appropriation legally made for the specific purpose, the local accountant has obligated the appropriation, and there are funds available for the intended disbursement. This process helps maintain financial accountability, prevents overspending, and ensures that public funds are used appropriately. Number 9. What type of report is the local treasurer required to submit quarterly to the BLGF? A. Statement of Collections and Disbursements. B. Statement of Receipts and Expenditures. C. Statement of Financial Position. D. Statement of Comprehensive Income. Answer, letter B. The local treasurer is required to prepare and submit quarterly reports of the Statement of Receipts and Expenditures to the BLGF. The SRE provides information on the financial activities of the local government unit, including the amounts received and expended during the specified period. It helps monitor the inflow and outflow of funds and ensures transparency and accountability in financial management. Number 10. Which of the following tasks is least likely to be performed by local treasurers regarding the operation of public enterprises? A. Implementing collection policies and procedures. B. Taking charge of the collections and custody of funds. C. Preparing statement of financial position of the public enterprises. D. Monitoring collection performance. Answer, letter C. Local treasurers primarily focus on tasks related to financial management, such as implementing collection policies, handling collections and funds, and monitoring collection performance. These responsibilities are more closely tied to the day-to-day financial operations and cash management of the public enterprises. While local treasurers may collaborate with accountants for financial data, their main role is in operational financial management rather than the technical aspects of financial reporting. For more videos like this, support this channel by clicking the like and subscribe button. Please comment your questions and clarifications below.